The power of vehicle tracking and HD filming. JC100 Edge. Step number 1. Inserting the micro SIM card. Make sure the metal connector is pointing up. Push the SIM into the device using a thin tool until you hear a click. Next, fitting the device onto the front glass. Tighten the base using the provided screw. Then, put the 3M sticker and press firmly. Remove the back view mirror temporarily to make it easy for installation. Hide the cable under the internal decoration. Next step is connecting the power. These are the provided cables. This is the ground cable, and this is the positive power cable that will be linked with the ignition. You may use a tester to easily find the right points for connecting. In here, you can get direct power from the battery, and this place will be needed shortly. You will also need a connect point that provides power when only turning the key on. Turn on the key and check. And to be sure, turn off, on and off, on. So this is the right connection point. Insert the red ignition cable. And insert the yellow cable into the direct power point which you selected previously. Finally, connect the ground cable using a screw. Now you've finished connecting the power and you will return everything in place. Before fitting the device on the glass, you better make a test to make sure the device is working fine. Turn on the key. The device will start booting and the red lamp illuminates. Wait about 30 seconds until the booting is completed. Then the device will start connecting to the networks. The green lamp indicates the device is connected to the GSM network. And the blue lamp with its tone means the GPS system is connected. Next step is installing the Car Matrix app. When done installing the app, input the username which you have been provided with by the service provider or the last 5 digits at the right of the serial number, and of course the password. This is the location of the vehicle on the map. Now you will try to see the front camera live view. Previous videos, if any, will appear under a list. The camera is working fine, and this is a live view of the street ahead. You can easily switch to the internal camera and return back to the front camera. Also view all the places the vehicle has visited previously, journey starting point, the streets where the vehicle moved through, and stopping and parking places. Also, you can live track your vehicle. And the current location is to be updated every 10 seconds. Now fit the device at the up center of the front glass and continue hiding the remaining cables. To make sure the device position is correct, you better make a last check. This is a live video. You can zoom in and out. What makes JC100 a premium device is that the internal camera is so wide that can cover the whole view of the vehicle's cabin, the driver, the front seat, and the back seat, while some other devices only show half of the driver and half of the front seat and back seat, with nothing to see but total darkness at night. But the JC100 has infrared light, so you will see at night the same bright view as during the day, but of course in black and white. Again, you can zoom in and out to see more details. And you can also monitor all the recorded videos within dated folders. If anything happened to your vehicle while parking, like for example an accident, the event will be recorded automatically. Thank you for watching.